Hi, my name's Minh. I came here with a couple of buddies, David and Oz right now. He's getting treatment also we went for our hair and face. And I know David here is going for his joints, shoulders, and knees, right? Is that right?
I got one done.
Yeah, I just got mine done. And Oz is right now doing his, and it was not painful that I would imagine it would be. It went pretty smooth, I believe. And if it's gonna take off another 20 years of my youth, hey, why not?
And David, how was your experience today with everything?
It was great. I mean, considering that, there are long needles going inside your joints, it wasn't it wasn't as bad as I thought. I just say that, and they use numbing and everything, so it makes it less painful. All you feel is mostly pressure, so it's quite it.